Oke, have you finished this? Sudah kalian kerjakan belum? Atau
Finish.
Finished? Oke. Have you write it on your book? Sudah ditulis di buku? Belum. That's okay. How about the others? Yang lain, yang ini sudah kalian lihat atau sudah kalian kira-kira belum? Ini ceritanya kayak gini. How about the others? Yang lain?
Udah dibikin.
Udah dibikin. Cleon? Cleon kemarin udah nyeritain nih, Cleon.
Iya, Miss.
Just remember, masih ingat nggak, Cleon? Kamu kemarin nyeritain kan? Oh, ini gini.
Aku belum bikin, Miss.
Iya.
That's okay, nggak
Aku
apa-apa.
juga belum bikin, Miss.
That's okay. Today we are going to discuss this. Please prepare your exercise book too. Silakan nanti ini ditulis di exercise book. Jadi silakan.
Aku udah, Miss.
Sekarang siapkan exercise book. If you have finished, kalau sudah, as usual, just check it together. Nanti dicek bareng-bareng kalau yang sudah.
Oke.
Okay. As I said before, this is a story. Ini kan cerita kayak dongeng gitu. So we used past tense ya. You still remember past tense? Masih ingat nggak?
Past tense.
Apa ayo? Di kelas 4.
Left.
Apa?
Yang give.
Yes, oke itu. Digunakan untuk menyatakan sesuatu yang sudah terjadi atau masa lampau. Ya. Are you ready? Sudah siap?
Ready.
Ada?
Jangan kayak gitu, Oli.
What happened with Oli? Oli kenapa sih? Where is Oli?
Di chat berisik banget.
Oh, punya Miss nggak muncul. Untung tidak muncul ya. Okay, let's discuss this. Number one, it says for the example. Ini nomor 1 sebagai contohnya. Prince Robert lived with his dad, his mom, and his sister in a big castle. Or any other idea? Atau ada ide lain selain ini?
Prince Robert lived in a castle.
Okay, Prince Robert lived in a castle. Okay, and then what else? Ada yang lain lagi? I write it down, Lucia. Lucia kan ya tadi? Okay, Prince Robert lived in a castle. Okay, any other idea? Ada ide lain selain ini? About the first picture, tentang gambar pertama. Nope. Nggak ada. You can unmute yourself ya. Silakan. Miss punya kayak gini. Silakan di unmute sendiri. Oke. Okay. How about the second?
Prince Robert is left the castle.
Prince Robert is left the castle. Ada yang perlu diilangin nggak, Lucia? Bentar. Mr. Prince Robert. Tadi apa?
Prince Robert left the castle.
Yes.
Aku yang nomor 1 jadi kayak gini boleh nggak? Prince Robert lived with his family doang, udah.
Okay, that's okay. Prince Robert lived with his family. Tapi jangan lupa live-nya bentuk kedua ya, Shannon ya.
Left.
Oke. Okay, thank you. Next, the second. Prince Robert is left the castle. Ada yang perlu diilangin nggak ini?
Prince Robert left the castle?
Ya. Prince Robert left the castle, meninggalkan castle. Dia dengan apa itu perginya? Dengan siapa?
Dia pergi semua sendiri kan?
Oh, itu bawa apa?
With his horse.
Ya, with his horse. Prince Robert left the castle with his horse. Okay, thank you. Please write it first. Ditulis dulu. Next, how about the third picture? What did he do? Ini sedang ngapain ya dia ya?
Waiting for his
Okay, yes.
Miss, can I go to the bathroom?
Chloe. Okay, Chloe. Quickly, please.
Is making a chair.
Prince Robert is making a chair. Bentar, I will write it first. Prince Robert.
Waiting for his gift. Oke sih tanya.
Eugene, kita menggunakan yang verb 2 atau kata kerja bentuk kedua. Jadi gimana, Eugene?
Prince Robert is make a chair.
Is make a chair. Bentuk kedua ada remake apa? Just remember, make, bla 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 bla. Mau
Prince
buat?
Robert is made a chair.
Oke.
Made.
Ya, made-nya, is-nya dihilangi ya. Bentar. Prince Robert made a. Oke, any other idea? Ada yang lain lagi?
Robert made this. Prince Robert made things for his cave.
Oke. Prince Robert made things for his cave. Okay, any other idea? Shannon or Cleon?
Aku udah tapi beda, Miss.
Okay, that's okay. Ya.
Miss itu made sama Miss.
Oh iya, made. Iya. Thank you, Lucia. Prince Robert made things. Iya, things.
Boleh nggak kayak gini, Miss?
Ya, Shannon.
Prince Robert made a chair for himself.
Oke, bisa. Prince Robert made a chair for himself. Jadi sama kayak Eugene tambahin for himself ya. That's okay, bisa Shannon. Oke, next. Sudah ditulis sampai 3. Have you finished?
Finish.
How about the others?
Aku belum.
Oke, ditulis dulu silahkan. Adele. Chloe, please write it down first. Nanti ketinggalan. Next. Number 4. This is very easy. Kemarin udah kalian jelasin nih ngapain. Oke, Prince Robert.
Get married.
Get married or got married?
Get.
Prince Robert, yeah. Got married.
Atau Prince Robert get married with his princess
Prince Robert got married with siapa, Lucia? With his wife. Okay, Prince Robert got married with his princess boleh.
Atau enggak Prince Robert have a wife. Prince Robert have a wife.
Oh, sebentar.
Nah, istri.
Okay. Prince Robert got married with his wife. Okay. Okay, next. Number 5. In this picture, you can see this is Prince Robert and his wife.
Lots of children.
Lots of children. Okay. And then how about the house?
Lots of children.
How about the house?
And the house. Prince Robert have.
They lived in a big house or a small house?
They live in a big house.
Okay.
And they have a lot of children.
Okay. Prince Robert and his wife in a big house. They had lots of children. How many children are there?
7.
7.
Seven.
Okay, well, they had 7 children. Prince Robert and his wife lived in a big house. They had 7 children. Okay, silahkan ditulis dulu, and then we are going to this. Sudah? How about the last picture? In this picture, you can see Prince Robert and his wife and his
Prince Robert went to his castle again.
Okay, Prince Robert went to the castle again.
Went to his castle again.
Prince Robert and his family went to the castle. Okay, thank you, Lucia. Any other idea? Ada ide yang lain? Selain Prince Robert and his family went to the castle again. Maybe menurut kalian, enggak itu cuma ngunjungin atau cuma lewat doang, Miss itu? Ada ide lain enggak? No? Oh, kurang ini.
Miss, kalau kayak gini boleh nggak, Miss?
Gimana?
Oh, aku ada Miss. Aku ada Miss.
Wait, sebentar Cleon. Shannon first. Shannon dulu.
Yes.
Terus siapa tadi?
Tulis.
Ulangi lagi Shannon.
Prince Robert and his family came to castle again to live.
Came to the castle again to live there gitu. Tinggal di sana. Prince Robert and his family. When atau came tadi ya Shannon? Where is Shannon?
Came.
Came to the castle and lived there. Is it true? Gini Shannon.
Yeah, Miss.
Yeah, that's okay. Prince Robert and his family came to the castle and lived there. Ke castle dan akhirnya tinggal di sana. How about you, Cleon? Tadi Cleon kayaknya mau ngomong.
Kalau dibikin-bikin tapi nggak ada digambar kayak gitunya. Kayak misalkan King asked Prince Robert and his family to move to the castle kayak gitu boleh nggak, Miss?
Oh, jadi ceritanya King William asked Prince Robert to live in the castle.
Iya.
Oh, that's okay, bisa. King William, Prince Robert lived in the castle.
Iya.
Okay. King William asked Prince Robert and his family lived in the castle. Okay, bisa. Cleon, why? Kenapa Cleon kok menyuruh untuk kembali lagi? Kesepian ya?
Enggak, kayaknya itu rajanya pengen lihat cucu-cucunya.
Oh iya, ya ampun. Kamu dewasa sekali pemikiranmu, Cleon. Aduh. Oke, bisa juga.
Susunya ada 7, susunya.
Iya. Oke, please write it first. Silahkan ditulis dulu. Kalau sudah, nanti kita akan lanjut ke halaman 43. Okay, have you finished? Sudah, Bill, sudah, Bill, Gracelyn, have you finished?
Please dong.
Sudah, okay. Okay, now we are going to move to the next page, page 43, halaman 43. This is still Prince Robert. Masih tentang Prince Robert.
Miss, I'm not done.
Who's that? Itu tadi siapa ya? Chloe ya?
Aku Chloe. Nomor 6.
Oke, sambil nunggu Chloe. Lainnya silakan lihat halaman 43. Make sentences about before and after Prince Robert left the castle. Use the words in the box. Oke, jadi what you have to do, membuat kalimat tentang Prince Robert. Before and after dia left the castle. Left di sini meninggalkan, bukan kiri ya. Use the words in the box. Terus kalian menggunakan kata-kata yang ada di bawahnya itu. The example is, contohnya udah ada tuh. Before Prince Robert left the castle, he had only one goat. Oke, thank you. Sebelum dia meninggalkan castle, dia hanya punya 1 kambing. Kemudian after he left the castle, setelah meninggalkan castle, dia punya 5 kambing. Kayak gitu ya. So, itu nanti before dan after-nya itu sama. Biar nulisnya cepat, kalian beri tanda sama aja. Before Prince Robert left the castle, bla bla bla. After he left the castle, bla 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 gitu ya.
Miss,
Yes.
Miss, tapi itu Miss, apa namanya? Aku before sama dengan he had only one goat. After sama dengan he had 5 goat.
Oke, that's okay. Bisa.
5 plus 65.
That's okay, Lucia. Oke, number one ini udah. Next, how about number 2? Want to answer this? Please unmute yourself.
Before he didn't have age. After he
Tadi siapa ya? Cleon.
Dari
Cleon dulu ya, oke. Cleon nomor 2, nanti Lucia nomor 3. Cleon.
Before Prince Robert left the castle, he didn't have a mustache.
Oke.
After Prince Robert left the castle, he had a mustache.
Oke, good job Cleon. Thank you. Kalian udah nulis ya?
Aku udah ngerjain.
Oh, oke. Udah ditulis juga?
udah dikerjain.
Oh, udah juga. Oke, siapa lagi yang udah
Aku
selain Cleon? Lucia, Eugene, how about you? Eugene, oke. How about the others? Chloe, Shannon, Gracelyn, Shakira, sudah belum?
Kemarin aku lihat Miss screen-nya.
Oke. Oh iya ya. Before Prince Robert left the castle,
Miss kan kasih tahu.
have,
Miss kasih tahu ini hari Kamis.
oh,
Ya.
kayaknya hari Kamis belum Miss tulis.
Waktu itu aku udah lihat sekali.
Oke.
Oh.
Oke, Lucia. Okay, after he left the castle, he had a mustache. Thank you, Cleon. Next, number 3 is Lucia. Nomor 3, Lucia.
Okay.
Ya.
Before he ate lots of meat. After he only ate bread and vegetable.
Okay, thank you. Before, tadi punya Lucia, before sama dengan gitu ya. Okay, so we can write, before Prince Robert left the castle, what's that? He ate lots of meat. After he left the castle, he and thank you, Lucia. Next, number 4. Who wants to answer number 4?
Belum, Miss, jangan cepet-cepet.
Okay, that's okay, Eugene. Okay, silakan sambil nulis. Who want to answer number 4? Cleon udah, Lucia udah.
Kalau asik mau jawab itu.
Eva, where is Eva? Eva, where are you?
Yeah,
Eva?
Miss.
Okay, Eva. How about number 3? Nomor 3, yang ketiga. Yang keempat, sorry. 4, sorry.
Before Prince Robert left the castle, he slept on a nice bed.
Okay, and then?
After he left the castle, he slept on the rock.
Okay, Eva. It is sleep or slept?
Slept.
Okay, thank you, Eva. Before Prince Robert left the castle, he slept. What is that? Apa itu? Tok itu. Before Prince Robert, he slept in a bed, and then after he left the castle, he slept on a rock. Okay, the last. Terakhir, yang before, there's no picture. Yang before-nya nggak ada gambarnya nih. But yang after, gambarnya seperti ini. Nadia. Siapa tadi? Nadia dulu ya. Number 5, Nadia.
Before Prince Robert left the castle, he's not married.
And then?
After Prince Robert left the castle, he got married.
Okay, thank you, Nadia. So, tadi yang before Prince Robert left the castle, he not married ya. We can say he wasn't married. Before Prince Robert left the castle, he wasn't married, and then after he left the castle, he got married.
Miss, jangan cepet-cepet.
Ya, oke Eugene. Silakan ditulis dulu. What is that?
Aku aja baru sampai nomor 3, Miss.
Oke, silakan ditulis dulu nggak apa-apa. Aleon, Adrian, Adele, have you finished?
Not yet, Miss.
Not
Number
yet. Okay, number 3. Okay. How about Adrian and Aleon? I can't see your face and I don't know what you are doing now. Where is Adrian, Aleon?
Foto video.
Maybe untuk speakingnya kita menggunakan yang halaman 43 atau 42 ya. So just prepare yourself.
Oke.
Silahkan sambil nulis. I will call your name for the... We have Aleon, Adrian, Nadia, Eva, Gretelin. Janice, where is Janice? Nggak ada ya? Janice, no, Adele, Leon, Eugene, Nico, Ray, ada Oliver, ya, Shakira, Bill, Reina, Shannon, Lucia, Esther, no, Chloe.
Ini absen ya, Miss?
Yes. Aleon, Adrian, Nadia, Eva, Greselyn, Adele, Cleon, Eugene, Oliver, Shakira, Bill, Reina, Shannon, Lucia, and Chloe. Benar kan? Ada yang belum disebut namanya? Oh, Nico baru datang. Okay, have you finished? Sudah?
Belum, Miss.
Belum, oke. Okay. That's
Sebentar,
okay.
Miss.
Yes,
Nomor 4, Miss.
Ya, that's okay. Ini banyak writing-nya nih. Habis ini yang workbook juga banyak writing-nya. Adele, have you finished? Adele, sudah?
Wait, Miss.
Oke. Okay. For you who have finished, kalau yang sudah selesai, please prepare your workbook. Kalau yang sudah selesai, siapkan workbook. Page 40. Halaman 40. Yang sudah selesai, yang belum selesai silahkan ditulis dulu.
Miss, tadi workbooknya halaman berapa ya, Miss?
Page 40, halaman 40. Yang belum selesai, silahkan diselesaikan dulu itu.
Miss.
Yes.
Kita selesai Zoom-nya apa? Jam 11.40.
Yes, 11.40.
Oh, oke. Okay.
Why? Kamu udah mau makan ya?
Enggak.
Wait, yes.
Aku udah, Miss.
Have you done? Sudah selesai?
Udah, yang exercise 6, yang Prince Holy udah selesai, yang exercise 8 sama 9 juga udah selesai.
Really?
Iya.
Oke. Kamu ngerjainnya kapan, Cleon?
Pas selesai Zoom-nya, Miss, kemarin-kemarin.
You are so diligent. Rajin sekali. How about the others? Yang lainnya yang udah selesai lagi siapa? Selain Cleon.
Aku selesai yang exercise lebih itu mau nyari selesai.
Lucia, oke. Eugene?
nggak tahu apa-apa, Miss.
Nggak. No, ini memang belum dibahas, Eugene. Ini memang belum dibahas, aduh. No, ini memang belum. Maybe, mungkin sudah ada yang mengerjakan, that's okay. Tapi emang belum dibahas. Dan Miss memang belum menyuruh untuk mengerjakan. Kemarin yang Miss minta untuk mengerjakan, itu halaman 38-39, Eugene. That's okay, we are going to do this together.
Tapi yang lain belum. Tapi kenapa yang lain nggak kerjain dulu?
Oke, mungkin Cleon sama Lucia, aku mau ngerjain ini, coba-coba. That's okay. Emang belum disuruh,
Kurangan, Miss.
Emang belum disuruh. Oke, have you finished, Eugene? Sudah selesai belum, Eugene, yang ini?
Aku udah.
Udah? Ini tadi siapa yang bilang udah tadi ya?
Aku
Halaman berapa ya tadi? Pupils-nya udah selesai belum? Eugene, have you finished? Eugene 43-nya? Udah, oke. Lainnya?
udah.
Oke. Syakira? Sudah? Okay, now we are going to do workbook page berapa tadi ya? 40, halaman 40. We are going to do this together. Kita kerjakan bareng-bareng ya. Yang sudah berarti kalian cek. Yang belum, that's okay, nggak apa-apa. Memang belum disuruh juga. Ini halaman 40. Ya. You can write it on your workbook. Bisa kalian tulis di workbook karena di bawah gambar ini ada space-nya ya. Exercise 6. Look at Princess Holly's day. Write what she did. Tulis apa yang dia lakukan. Use the words in the boxes. So what you have to do, please describe about that picture. Ini mendeskripsikan lagi tentang gambar. But this is about Princess Holly. Kalau tadi tentang Prince Robert ya. Please use the words in the box. Jadi kalian gunakan after that, and then next, then, when, dan sebagainya. Number 1 is as for the example. First, Princess Holly rode her horse up the mountain. So the story is, jadi ini ceritanya tuh Princess Holly ke gunung sama kudanya. And then yang kedua kudanya ini kenapa? Terus dia baca buku, terus dia nemuin apa, terus daunnya ditaruh di mana, terus akhirnya kudanya kenapa gitu ya. Let's try to do the second. Yang kedua, don't forget kita menggunakan ini ya, after that, next, dan sebagainya ya. In your opinion, yang nomor 2 gimana ya?
Aku Miss.
Oke, Cleon.
Then Princess Holly found an old castle on the top of the mountain.
Oke, and then
But the horse leg was hurt.
Oke. Cleon, boleh nggak Miss tulis yang kedua aja?
Ya.
Ya.
Then Princess Holly found an old castle on the top of the mountain.
No, I mean the second sentence. Kalimat keduamu tadi apa? Then
Princess Holly found an old castle on the top of the mountain.
Ya, terus habis itu apa?
But the horse leg was hurt.
Oke. That's the horse
castle.
Oke, sebentar. Tadi kan punya Cleon ada 2 kalimat ya. Kalimat pertama, then Princess Holly found a old castle in the mountain ya. Terus yang kalimat kedua, but the horse leg was hurt. Nah, ini kalian tulis yang kalimat kedua langsung aja nggak apa-apa. My question is, ini ada yang dihilangin nggak dari kalimat ini? Ada yang perlu dihilangkan nggak?
Was.
Ya, oke. Gak usah pakai was karena ini udah bentuk kedua ya. Kenapa nggak bisa dihapus nih? Oke. Udah. Langsung then the horse leg hurt kita.
Berusung.
Ya, so the story is dia naik gunung, kemudian kalau punya Cleon menemukan old castle, tapi kaki kudanya sakit nih. And then how about the third? Ketiga, in your opinion? Karena kaki kudanya sakit. Siapa ya ini? Who's there?
Lucia.
Lucia, oke.
After that, she went to Old Castle Library and read a book about looking after the horse.
Okay, good. After that, she
went to the
library.
The library gitu ya?
About looking after horse.
Oke.
Aku juga sama jawabannya.
The third, yang ketiga, ini akhirnya dia pergi ke perpustakaan dan membaca buku tentang ini, looking after horses. Punya Lucia tadi benar. Oh, kalau tadi punya Lucia, she went to the
library
and read a book about looking after the horse.
Stop. Bentar ya, bentar. Ini ya, baru gabung. Oke, silakan ditulis dulu. About looking after horses. Di gambarnya itu.
Kan yang gambar yang ketiga.
Ya. Ini punya Miss dari Lucia tadi, terus Miss summarize, Miss singkat ya. Read. Ya, read di sini ini bentuk ketiga. Read, wrote ya bacanya. Next, how about next picture, gambar berikutnya?
Gambar berikutnya.
Yes, number 4.
She walked, found planes.
Okay.
Next, she walked to found planes.
Okay. Next, she found. Bentar.
Jalan kaki buat cari tanaman.
Next, she found some leaves ya. Next.
Yeah.
Then she walk around and pick some leaves kalau aku.
Okay. Next, she found some leaves. Intinya, kemudian dia menemukan beberapa daun-daunan. Punya Lucia. Next, she walked and then found some leaves. Boleh. Punya Cleon tadi juga boleh.
Next apa, Miss? She walked around
to find some leaves. Ya. Ya, to find some leaves. Kenapa yang dipunya Miss found? Kalau yang Miss bilang ke Eugene tadi to find, karena to is followed by verb 1. To itu diikuti verb 1, ya. Ini punya Miss summarize, Miss singkat. Next, nomor 5. Dia udah menemukan daun nih. And then what did she do?
She used them as medicine for her horse.
Oke. Then boleh.
Di lokasinya in the field.
Ya.
Next.
Then boleh, next boleh, after that juga boleh karena itu sama. Kemudian selanjutnya setelah itu gitu. Then then she
used them as medicine for her horse.
She used
Medicines.
them.
She used the apa?
She used
medicine.
them.
Medicines.
As the medicine.
Obat.
For
Medicine. Gimana sih tulisannya?
Medicine.
Iya.
Miss mati kan, Miss bukan medicine.
Bentar, punya
Medicines. Aku sama Miss kayak minyak lain tapi hampir mirip.
Dan bentar.
Number 6.
Keenam.
When the horse was
After that, the horse was better
Okay, good. After that,
Well,
the horse
and
is
could
better.
run in the field.
Okay. You can use after that or next juga boleh. Or maybe finally juga boleh. After that, the horse was better.
When the horse was in the field, his leg was better.
Oke, mau ditambahin kayak punya Cleon tadi apa, Cleon? After that, the
Was
horse was
better
better.
and could run in the field.
Oke. Lengkap sekali lah. After that, the horse was better.
And run at field.
Ya, boleh. Run, tulisan run bentuk kedua, tulisannya gimana? Do you still remember?
R-A-N.
Ya.
R-A-N.
R-A-N-R-U. Oke. Oke. Untuk exercise 8. Exercise 8 itu silakan kalian hanya tik yang kalian lakukan this morning, ya.
Udah.
Aku udah.
Ya, nggak perlu.
Aku 3.
Oke, thank you. Itu nggak perlu ditulis karena I think that
Kalau aku
udah
ditulis.
sedang tidak relevan ya, karena kalian naik bis enggak, pergi ke sekolah enggak, atau naik mobil gitu juga enggak untuk ke sekolah ya. Mungkin yang relevan get up.
Aku yang
Next, I am
exercise
Tidur, mandi, gosok gigi,
Iya.
makan, terus
Udah.
ke sekolah, tapi yang bisnya duduk di bis sama ketinggalan bis enggak?
Enggak, iya.
ketinggalan bisa.
Ya enggak relevan ya, kalian di rumah